Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm here to introduce you to APPSB 4000 and Legacy Power Socket style for both IP-based power on and off controller with a demonstration. APPSB 4000L is a compact-sized IP-based power on and off controller for remote target device power on and off control. APPSB 4000L supports power on and off control function for 4 equipment or system at the same time. APPSB 4000L provides 4 AC power output ports using 1 AC power input port, and the 5V SMPS power for CPU controller board is internally built in. APPSB 4000L supports Smart Web Manager for individual IP remote power controller operation management. And the APPSB 4000L supports APSPM integrated management software for managing large sites and multiple IP remote power controllers optionally. This is remote power on and off control demonstration using APSPM integrated management software.